Yeah, so you always use a 12mm notchy, always. It's not very often I use anything smaller unless I'm doing mosaic. Then it needs to be smaller. Always a 12mm notchy. Walls, floors, and you try and cover your tile and as much glue as you can. Oh, chilly. Just check that for straight. That's looking pretty good there. See that? Nice one, Charlie. Right. It's just the same process all the time. Thanks for the cup of tea. That was the owner bringing in a cup of tea. A cup of tea on the run. Oh, uh-oh, I made a mistake here. I haven't trimmed for that. No biggie, just take off the glue. Made a mistake. Oh, not really. Just a bit eager. Just a bit eager. What I need to do is plumb up there So I've got a line to go off. Which is that? So there and there, that should be up. There, down there, there. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a PowerPoint for the mirror. Then we've got that one up there, but that's cool. All good. Yes, well, we'll go again. Ooh, up. Okay, I better give that a wipe with some water and a sponge. These ones have not too close to that PowerPoint Crusoe. Yeah, these have got a waxy film on them. A little bit of a wipe off. You see all the water beading? Yeah. Bit of a waxy film, but that's all right. Yeah. Oh, nice. Have a cup of tea, Chriso. Ooh. That's going to come out good. Well, I'll do those 2 pieces and then I'll go and have some lunch. Then I'll come around and do this wall. I've got a piece of aluminium going up there. Yeah, good. I think you'll probably we'll do the Davo, the owner, will do the architrave. I'll get him to do it in the morning tomorrow. So I'll do that wall, see how I go. That wall before I go home, and then I've got the bath to do. Oh, easy. Tomorrow. So I should have all my tiling done by tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon. Oh, that was a good cup of tea. Usually I leave it too long and it's cold, I forget about it. I get busy. So don't forget, if you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel. I come out every 3 days. You will always pick up something new. If you don't, well then I've lost it. Not going to be able to move that along, so I'll just put in another. Give it a tap so it doesn't fall off. You're always watching to see if your grain is going, just making sure that your grain is going the right way all the time.
Chuck that out.
When you clip it up, you're always watching for what you've got to adjust. When it's clipped up, that's when you adjust it, because it stays then in position. So I can widen that just a little. Needs to go up just a tad. That could come up just a tad. A tiddle diddle. Beautiful. Yeah, so I'll go and have some lunch, then I'll pop those in, then I'll start on this wall.